Assalamu alaikum, Eid Mubarak. My name is Lais. I'm from Syria. I want to talk about my outfit. Actually, my outfit from Saudi. This is named Shumar. This is Thob. And this is Farwa. Farwa from like designer is a Morocco, but it is made in Syria, literally. Eid Mubarak, guys.
My name is Salah. Eid Mubarak to everyone. I'm from Chad. So this is outfit called Kaptan. It's a Gazna. The hat as well is called the same thing, same material. It's a Gazna.
We are from Mindanao and Sulu. Eid Mubarak to all brothers and sisters around the world. Eid Mubarak! Eid Mubarak!